What's good, fam? I'm gonna show you how to whip up a quick salsa. I made a video with Mexican street corn egg rolls, and I had a salsa dip to go with it that I whipped up real fast, so I decided to make a video just to show you how I made it. It's really fast. Start off with 2 large ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, a jalapeno, juice from 1 lime, 2 garlic cloves, about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and sea salt. So we're going to start off by putting the tomatoes and the jalapeno in boiling water. And we're going to boil until the skin starts to come off of the tomato and they get nice, soft, and tender. Most of the skin will boil off on its own. Then we're going to take them and we're going to put them in an ice bath to cool them down. We're going to let them sit for a few minutes just to cool all the way down. After that, we're going to add in all our ingredients. Put our onions in, chop up the garlic, add those in. Put our cilantro and pretty much everything else. We're going to put it on our food processor. We're going to chop it to the consistency of your liking. And that's it, nice and quick. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Peace.